Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove camera watermark in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. Suppose if you are taking photo through camera of your phone and in the result, if you have the watermark, then watermark will appear. Okay, see here, watermark is appeared in the bottom left side. Okay, suppose if you want to remove this watermark, if you don't want any watermark for taking photos, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to go to camera of your phone, then go to camera settings here, and then go to watermark. Just turn off this button, watermark. Now you will not get any watermark if you are taking a photo. Okay, I taken this photo and I taking this photo and open the photo that you took. See that the bottom left side watermark is not available. Okay, so in this way we can easily remove camera watermark in case it is activated. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.